Hi, in this session we will be looking into few of profit and loss questions which we have learned in session 1. Okay, here we go. Question number 1. And so this is a basic type of question. Please try to understand the question first. A man brought 2 cows for the same price. He sold both the cows, one at 10% profit, the other at 10% loss. Find his overall profit or loss percentage. Okay, so please understand the question. A man brought 2 cows for the same price. Okay, first cow, second cow. He sold both cows, one at 10% profit and another at 10% loss. So a man brought 2 cows at the same price. So let's take cost price of these 2 cows. I am assuming 100. Okay. On first he sold at 10% profit. Okay. 10% profit. So can I say my selling price is going to be 110? Yeah. Why 110? On 100, 10% is going to be what? 10. So 100 plus 10 is what? 110. How about the second cow? The second cow is 10% loss. So second cow is 10% loss means, yeah, again 10% of 100 is what? 10. So 100 minus 10 is what? 90. Yeah. So if you look at both articles, he brought it for 200 rupees. Both articles he sold it for 200 rupees again. So here one interesting point is this. Whenever a man brought cows, chocolates, sanitizers, anything for the same price, okay, and one he sold at some X% profit and another is sold at X% loss, always your answer is what? No profit, no loss. Always your answer is what? No profit, no loss. So this is very, very important. Whenever you come across these type of question, directly your answer is what? No profit, no loss. Or you can say your answer as, 0% profit or loss. Or you can say neither profit nor loss. Anything is same. Point is what? Cost price of 2 articles must be same and sold at the same percent profit. One article sold at the other article also same percent loss. Then your answer is going to be definitely no profit, no loss. Let's go to the next question. So, which is a moderate question and these type of questions been asked in Wipro exam. Okay, so look at the question. A man brought 2 cows for the same price. He sold first cow at 20%. So, first article and second article, which means cows. Cost price. He said same. I am assuming 100 and 100 here. So what is going to be the selling price of the first article? Yeah, the first article is what? 20% profit. Can I say it's going to be 120? Yes. And another at 10% loss. Can I say it's going to be 90? Yes. So both articles he sold it for he brought it for 200 and he sold it for what? 210. Okay. So the total cost price is what? 200. Total selling price is what? 210. So what is the profit here? Yeah, profit in amount is what? 10 rupees. But the question is what? Profit or loss percent. Yeah. So you are getting what? Profit. What is profit percent formula? Profit percent is what? Profit by CP into 100. What is profit? Profit is going to be 10. Okay. What is cost price? 200 into 100. So if you calculate this, you will end up saying your answer is what? 5%. Then the profit percentage for this question is what? 5%. So this is the basic way of doing the question. Then what is the shortcut for this question? Guys, always remember, please understand this shortcut. Whenever cost price of 2 articles are same, okay, one article sold at X% profit, another article is sold at Y% loss. Okay, because both are different now. Okay, profit means plus sign, loss means minus sign. The overall profit or loss percentage is this. Okay, so 20 minus 10 divided by 2. So that will give you 10 by 2. That will give you what? 5%. So if you end up here as positive value, you are in profit. If you are end up here as negative value, you are in loss. Okay, so the shortcut is what? Profit or loss percentage is going to be what here? Plus or minus x plus or minus y divided by 2. So this is nothing but what? Average. Okay, this is nothing but what? Average. If there are 3 articles, one more entity is going to join, and in the denominator, what number will come? Number 3 will come, because that's what I'm emphasizing this as average. Hope you understood this particular question. Okay, let's go to the next question. So it's a bit difficult question. These type of questions been asked in TCS, IBPS and RRB. PO. Okay. Guys, look at here. A man brought 2 horses. Yes, he brought 2 horses. He sold both the horse for rupees 1200 each. Okay, so first horse and second horse. Do you know the cost price? You don't know. Do you know the selling price? Yes. What is the selling price? 1200. Here also 1200. Okay. This is where your first lecture will help you to understand this particular point. One at a 20% profit. Okay, he sold 20% profit. Guys, we are talking about cost price is always what percent, guys? 100%. How about selling price? Yes, that's change according to the question. Here, 20% profit means what? 100 profit. So, 100 plus 20. So, it's going to be what, guys? 120%. Okay guys, can I conclude now? Yeah, 120% equals to 1200. 120% equals to 1200. Then 100% is going to be how much? Then 100% is going to be how much? 1000. Then 100% is going to be how much? 1000. Then, see, the point is this. What you got? You got cost price. And my basic point is this. Why you are calculating cost price? Simple point. Profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Without knowing the cost price, you cannot calculate whether you are getting profit or loss. So that's why we have to know the profit or cost prices. So now, how about the second one? Yeah, the second one is what? So let's name it as CP1, SP1. So CP2, you know, yes, that is nothing but what? 100%. How about SP2? Let's go to, look at the question. Another 20% loss. When 20% loss means, can I say it's going to be 80%? Yes. Guys, when it is 80%, so can I conclude? 80% equals to 1200. Then 100% equals to how much? Okay, 0 going to be cancelled. 8 ones are 8 15s are, because 15 8s are 120. 1% is 15. Then 100% is what? 1500. Then 100% is what here? 1500. So can I conclude? The second article cost price is going to be what? 1500. The second article cost price is going to be what? 1500. So guys, the point is this. You have to calculate your cost prices. Yes, you got your cost price and you got your selling price. Can I say? The total cost price is going to be 1000 plus 1500. Can I say the total CP is going to be 2500? Yes. What about the total SP? The total SP is going to be what? 2400. Yeah. Now you are getting profit or loss? Loss. Loss of how many rupees? 100 rupees. Over denominator is always what? Cost price. What is cost price? 2500 into what? 100. 2 zeros cancel. 25 ones. 25 fours. Then the last percentage is going to be what here? 4%. Last percentage is going to be what here? 4%. So this is our solution. Okay. So the whole point is this. Please understand. You want profit or loss. So definitely you should know cost prices. So how to calculate cost price is important. You have calculated your cost prices. From that you can get through your answer. Okay. So here I want to tell you one important point here. Whenever 2 articles selling price is same, whenever 2 articles selling price is same and same percent profit and same percent loss. always you are going to be in loss. Why? Because in place of 1200, if I write X also, you are definitely end up with saying X loss only. But the point is this, what percent loss is very, very important. So I want you to know this particular formula. Okay. When two articles are sold at the same price such that there is a profit of X percent on one article and a loss of X percent on the other, then irrespective of what the SP actually is, then the net resultant transaction is always loss. What is loss, Nana? The loss is going to be X square by 100. The loss is going to be what? X square by 100. Okay, in the previous question, 20% loss, 20% profit. So can I say that's going to be 20 square by 100? Yes. Then what is 20 square here? Yeah, 20 square is going to be what? 400 divided by 100. Then it's going to be, your answer is what? 4%. That's it. He may give same question, 15% profit, 15% loss. Then your answer is what? 15 square. What is 15 square? 225 by 100. Then your answer will become what? 2.25. You know, this is how you have to answer your questions. Okay, so let's understand. Question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. Yeah. Question number 1. Cost price of two articles are same percent profit, same percent loss. Your answer is no profit, no loss. Second question. Cost price of two articles are same, different profit or loss percentages. Your answer is you have to calculate the average. How about the third one? The third one is going to be how selling price of two articles are same. First one at 10 some X percent profit, the other one also X percent loss. Then your answer is what? Always you will end up saying loss percentage. The loss percentage is what? X square by 100%. Okay. This is how your three models are very, very important. Let's go to the next question. Okay. So this is a moderate type of question, and this question being asked in SSC and SBI PO. Okay. Let's look at the question. A sold an box to B at a 20% profit. B sold the same to C at a 10% profit. If C paid 1320 for the box, find A cost price. So please understand A. Guys, A will have some cost price and A will selling, so A should have definitely some selling price. Okay. When A is having cost price, I don't know the cost price, let me assume A cost price is 100. A sold to B at a 20% profit. Can I say then A selling price is going to be 120? Guys, this is important point. Can I say A selling price is equals to B cost price? Yes. Once you talk about B, yeah, B cost price will become what? A selling price. What is A selling price? 120. And he is selling at what? To whom? C. At what percent profit? 10%. What is 10% of 10% profit? Okay. What is 10% of 120? 12 extra. Okay. On 120, 10% is going to be what here? Is going to be what here? 12 extra. So, B selling price is going to be what? 120 plus 12. That's going to be, can I say 132? Yes. B selling price is 132. Can I say B selling price is nothing but C cost price? Yes. Okay. Now look at C. C cost price is what? Yeah. C cost price is going to be 132. But according to our question, C paid how many rupees? 1320. C paid how many rupees? 1320. Okay. So this is equals to 1320. Then what is your question? Find A cost price. A cost price is equals to how much? So 132 equals to 1320, then 100 is equals to how much? So if you calculate 100, you will end your answer as what? Yeah, A cost price is going to be what? 1000 rupees. A cost price is going to be what? 1000 rupees. Okay. Thank you.